Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to link your PayPal account to your My account so you can easily transfer and withdraw your funds. Let's get started. First, you want to download the free Maya app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure it's installed in your phone. And once installed, make sure to add at least 100 pesos to your Maya account. Next, you want to log into your PayPal, then go to Wallet. Then go ahead and choose Link a Card. From here, just enter your Maya card details and double check that the address in PayPal matches exactly with the one in your Maya account. PayPal will temporarily charge a small amount from your 100 peso balance just to verify the card, but don't worry, it gets refunded right away once verified. Now you can transfer money in PayPal. Just click on send and request this one from your summary page to do that. And to actually withdraw cash from an ATM, you'll need to upgrade your My account. And this involves scheduling a quick video call for verification and also purchasing a physical Maya card from their online store. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.